The purpose of this module is to present the MPT coupler, showing the available ports, the identification label, and the polarization change procedure. Two coupler physical structures exist according to the desired frequency band. Here is what the first structure looks like. It is used for the lower frequency bands, 6, 7, and 8 GHz. The second structure is used for higher frequency bands, from 11 to 38 GHz. Both structures are further divided into two types according to the required radio configuration, that is to say, unbalanced or balanced coupler. Unlike balanced couplers, an unbalanced coupler presents different coupling values for each radio port. The main one and the spare one. In this case, the main access port is depicted by the engraving on the coupler. To identify the coupler type, frequency band, and coupling value, take a close look at the label in here that shows the part number, the supported frequency bands, and the coupling value. In all cases, any of these models is composed of 3 RF ports. 2 of them are for the MPT connection, always in the H position, regardless of the intended link polarization. And the third is for the antenna connection, where you can set the link polarization. By default, the coupler is V polarized. To change its polarization, use an Allen key to unfasten the screws and take them out. Be careful, a waterproofness tape is glued on the waveguide of MPT. It must never be removed or damaged. 2 discs are superimposed. This permits a gradual change of the polarization. Extract the top disc, then rotate the bottom one to the desired polarization by aligning the corresponding letter to the marker dot. Insert the upper disc and rotate it to the required polarization. Then fasten the screws. Before connecting the MPT and the antenna, use the silicone grease tube delivered with the coupler to lubricate the O-rings. Finally, 4 hooks are present to fix the coupler to the antenna.